Are you feeling tired or bloated? Or are you struggling with stubborn weight or painful joints? Then you are not alone. These are all signs and symptoms of underlying inflammation, which millions of people are going through. But here's the surprising part. Most people are not even aware of where their inflammation is coming from. And interestingly, the number one cause of inflammation might be hidden in a place where you have never expected. Yes, today I'm going to talk about that number one hidden place where your inflammation is present and how you can easily fix it. So stay with me because this information could be life-changing for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta. I'm a board-certified physician with advanced training in functional medicine and integrative medicine. I have helped thousands of people to reduce inflammation in their body and get their life back. People see an improvement in their energy, their pain goes down, their bloating goes down, overall their brain fog gets better, they get their life back. That is the impact of reducing inflammation in the body. But most people ask me this question, what is the number one reason of hidden inflammation in my body and why am I not able to get better? So this is exactly what I'm going to talk about today, this hidden place in your body where all this chronic inflammation is coming from. So let's first understand what is this chronic inflammation I am talking about that is damaging your body. So inflammation in the acute sense is really good and protective for your body because inflammation in acute phase is actually your natural defense mechanism. It is supposed to protect your body against infections, injuries, or any harmful toxins that your body get exposed to. Now the problem is that when this inflammation in your body becomes chronic and doesn't shut down, that's where it becomes toxic for your own body and starts damaging your own body. It's basically your own body on high alert all the time. What does this chronic inflammation look like? It causes chronic fatigue in your body, brain fog in your body, joint pains, muscle pains, digestive issues, weight gain, bloating. All of these are signs and symptoms that somewhere in your body there is chronic inflammation which is not letting your body to heal and actually damaging your body. So where is this hidden space which I'm talking about? This is actually in your gut. Most people now will get surprised and ask me this question, how can my gut cause inflammation in my body? What people don't know is that 70 to 80% of our immune system in our body is present in our gut. So when this 70 to 80% of our gut immune system turns against our own body, that's where we get chronic inflammation. So let me explain to you how this chronic inflammation originates in your gut and how you can easily fix it after that. So this whole process of chronic inflammation in your gut starts with a condition called leaky gut or increased gut permeability. What is this leaky gut? So basically when your gut lining is healthy, the function of this gut lining is to keep all the toxic materials like chronic infections, bacteria, as well as toxins, as well as food particles from outside your bloodstream so it doesn't enter it. Now whenever there is damage to this gut lining, then all that bad bacteria and toxins start entering from your gut to your bloodstream. Now whenever they enter your bloodstream, your immunity inside your gut as well as your bloodstream triggers an immune response. It causes release of several inflammatory substances in your bloodstream and that starts the cascade of this whole inflammation. Now the next question is that how does this gut lining get destroyed? It can be destroyed by various ways. One of the ways is by poor diet. Refined sugars, processed food, gluten, fried food, all of these things can destroy your gut lining. And the second thing which can destroy this gut lining is several different kinds of medications that you might have taken in your past, like antibiotics, like NSAIDs, painkillers, ibuprofen. All of these things can destroy your gut lining. Then chronic stress, then exposure to any kind of emotional, physical, or mental stress can also destroy this gut lining. So you see, there are various reasons which starts this chronic inflammation by destroying this gut lining. Now, after destroying this gut lining or causing leaky gut, this inflammation also starts destroying your gut microbiome. We have trillions of bacteria that lives in our gut, some good and some bad. This inflammation especially targets the good bacteria in your gut and starts destroying it. We have several research studies which proves that People who have less amount of good bacteria in their gut, they have higher chances of autoimmune diseases and their inflammation levels in their bloodstream is very high. Another thing which happens is that whenever this good bacteria get destroyed, bad bacteria starts coming in, and this bad bacteria start producing something called endotoxins or lipopolysaccharides or LPS. These LPS are highly toxic for your body. They penetrate your gut lining and directly have access to your bloodstream. And from your bloodstream, they go to all these different organs and tissues of your body, specifically to your brain, to your thyroid gland, as well as to your joints. And that's where they start destroying your body. And that's the reason you have various different chronic signs and symptoms of inflammation. So now you know how this whole process starts and then keep going on and on each and every day to your body. And unless you address all of these different steps of chronic inflammation in your gut, your inflammation in other parts of the body are not going to get better. Now, the next question is that how do you do that? How do you fix this chronic inflammation? So let's talk about it. So to address this chronic inflammation in your gut, first of all, you need to start with proper diet. For this proper diet, first of all, you need to remove which is highly inflammatory and causing this leaky gut. And these foods are any kind of fried food, any kind of processed food, as well as food which is high in sugar. You need to remove these foods as well as try to remove gluten also if you can. Then after that, include foods which is healing for your leaky gut, which includes different kind of colorful vegetables in your diet, which are very fibrous and also high in prebiotic fibers for your gut. And also include good quality protein and good quality fats to support the good gut microbiome. After you address this diet, you also have to include certain supplements so that you can start healing this leaky gut. Couple of supplements which have shown that they can heal this leaky gut. One of them is L-glutamine. The second one is D-glucosamine. The third one is zinc carnosine. When you combine them, all of these three together, you get great results because all of them have little bit different mechanism of action. And when you combine all of these three, you can heal your leaky gut very quickly. That's the reason we have made this specific supplement, which has combined not only these three ingredients, but also a couple of other ingredients, which again support your gut health. It's a gut restore powder, which the link is in the description if you want to look at it and also buy it. Now, after you have addressed the leaky gut, the second thing you need to address is this gut microbiome. You need a good probiotic so you can provide your gut with a good bacteria so that again it can reduce inflammation in the body. For that, look at probiotic with a minimum of 30 billion to 50 billion probiotic units in them. Because anything less than that is not enough and doesn't stick around. So that's the reason that amount of probiotic, a combination of lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, has specifically shown to reduce inflammation in your gut. So that is the second thing you need to do. The third thing you need to also include is good omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA. The reason omega-3s are included over here is that omega-3s not only reduces inflammation, but they actually lower the amount of lipopolysaccharides or endotoxins, which are being made by the bad bacteria and circulating in your bloodstream. So by lowering those endotoxins, that can reduce inflammation in your body very, very quickly. But again, make sure you're getting between 1000 to 2000 milligrams of EPA and DHA combined so that they can effectively lower these endotoxins. We have made a GI bundle which has all of these supplements into that bundle. So if you want to buy it, the link will be in the description. So you see, now you know the number one reason of chronic and hidden inflammation in the body and how you can fix it. It is very important to start with this step because until you address this step, your inflammation is not going to go away from your body completely. So along with your lifestyle changes of good diet, reducing stress, exercising regularly, try to take these supplements and see if your inflammation reduces instantly in your body or not. I hope you like this video. Try these things and please always share in the comment section what difference you see by trying these things. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.